My name is Arash Groyan. I'm Iranian artist, visual artist, and I'm doing miniature painting or Persian painting. This type of painting with almost 2,000 years of history, at the beginning it was a part of religious book, poem, and after that eventually appeared to independent form and design. Persian painting is based on Iranian traditional stories, legendary narratives, and mythology, and after that merged with Islamic attitude and Islamic perception. And title of Islamic art is totally incorrect, because if we call Islamic art, it related only to religious books or religious titles. And also, this kind of painting could be related to other religions, like Jewish art, Christian art, and also related to icon or some other religion, actually. One remarkable specification of Persian painting is perspective and shadow. It means in this type of painting, we don't have perspective and shadow. And I can tell you an example. Every element and portraits and people in the image doesn't matter far or near. The artists want to show at the same size, because in Persian culture, the artist believes that this world is shadow of the previous world. It means the artist wants to show the equality. Another important thing is Mongols' attack to Iran. From that time, we can see some Chinese eyes in Persian miniature painting, especially from 17th century, 16th century also still continue. Because that time when Mongols attack, many artists, they had to accept the order from Mongolian government. And after that also we can see this style. Still today, we can see Chinese eyes in some of miniature painting as a fashion design, not for as a order or something, just for fashion and beauty. And in Persian painting, we have different material, and actually we use traditional pigments and colors, like traditional ink, traditional some red color, ultramarine, and also we use gouache, sometimes acrylic, watercolor, and gold 24 mixed with honey. We add honey inside gold because it makes more sticky and related to 16th century style. It was golden period. And for example, if we go to the museum, we can see some painting from that old ancient time. They use gold mixed with honey, still same as the first day. That's why today we still continue same technique and style.
از تو ای عشق در این دل چه شررها دارم، یادگار است و چه شبها چه سحرها دارم. با تو ای راهزن با تو ای راهزن دل چه سفرها دارم، گرچه از خود خبرم نیست. ای